If you are considering putting your home on the market this summer, maybe this fall, I wanted to make sure you understood how to get your house ready. Because while we are still in a strong seller's market, there is starting to be a widening gap between the homes that are selling for top dollar and those that are not selling as quickly or for as much money. And we want your home to be a winner on the open market. So you probably need to make sure your home is as ready as possible and as attractive to buyers as possible. Because it's proven that the more showings that you have, the more likely you are to get a faster sale for a higher price. Because faster and higher price kind of go together in this market. So that's why today I'm going to share the 3 ways you can get your home ready for showings this summer. So right now, buyers' number one concern is interest rates and affordability. Things cost more. It costs more to get their home. And so what that means is they have less money to spend on other things like getting the home the way that they like it. So as a result, they want to put as much money down to lower their prices, to lower their monthly payment. And that means that if you can take care of the repairs that need to be done, that's going to make your house more desirable. So that's cosmetic repairs. For sure, anything that's a major issue, but you want to make sure that your house is looking tip-top. Porches, exterior looks good, interior looks good. The houses that have done the repairs sell for more money and faster. So that's number 1. Number 2, do some staging. It is gone are the days where you just throw the house on the market as it is. Think about for a second what the ideal model home looks like. It's kind of impersonal, very standard colors, things like that. It's clean. That's the target that we're going for. Your goal should be to get as close to that image in your head of a model home, no matter how boring you think that is. That's what we want your home to look like. Your home, you live in a home that has personalized touches. Maybe you've got a wall that's your favorite color, or sports memorabilia, or family photos. All these are normal. There's a difference between a staged house and a decorated house. So your house may look awesome. It may be decorated perfectly to your taste, but the reality is we need to remove and depersonalize as much from your home as we can so that, prospective buyers can picture themselves living in your property. And here's what I tell people all the time. Plus, you're moving anyway, and let's just start packing. Let's get you halfway to packed so that when your home sells, you're not having to stress out and freak out about getting everything packed because we've already done some of that on the front end. So that's number 2, staging. Get some staging done. And number 3, have a plan for your family and your pets. I tell people all the time that pets are a $10,000 liability on any house. Like, even if they can see that you have a pet, they often think they can smell a pet, whether they can or can't. So making sure that you're making plans for having your pet out, having all the pet stuff out of the house as well. Same goes for children. They don't discount it for smell for children. But, let's schedule your showings around a time that works for your family. Works for your family, works for the buyers. So you inconvenience both of you the least, which in the end definitely works. On weekends when we know it's going to be crazy, we recommend sending your dog to a family member or kenneling your dog just to make your life a little bit easier. And so that also makes it a little bit easier to keep your home clean, which goes back up to number 2. But if you want a detailed showing plan or list of repairs for your home, we would love to help you. Just email me and we would love to help you navigate this housing market because it's still a great market. You just have to know how to play the game.